In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your notes in Google Keep. Google Keep is a handy tool for jotting down ideas, creating to-do lists, and organizing your thoughts. Sometimes, however, your notes can become cluttered, and knowing how to clean them up can make a big difference in staying organized. We'll walk through the steps to delete checked items from your notes, a simple yet powerful feature that can help you maintain a tidy and clear note-taking environment. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Keep. You can do this by typing Google Keep into your search engine and clicking on the link, or by entering the direct URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see your collection of notes, reminders, and more. Take a moment to scroll through your notes to locate the specific note containing items you've checked off. Checked items are typically tasks or thoughts you've already completed or no longer need, and removing them helps streamline your notes for clearer focus on what remains to be done. Now let's proceed to the main task. Once you have your note open, focus on the right-hand side of the note where you'll see 3 dots. This is your menu button offering various options for managing your note. Click these 3 dots. When you do, a menu will drop down showing you different actions you can take. In this menu, you'll find the Delete Checked Items option. Selecting this will remove only the items that have been checked off, keeping your note uncluttered by things that are no longer relevant. Keep in mind, Google Keep is designed for ease of use, which means you don't have to navigate through complicated processes to keep your notes organized. This functionality is especially useful for lists where you check off completed tasks. By routinely clearing checked items, you ensure your notes are always up to date and focused on your ongoing needs. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully decluttered your note by removing all the checked items. This is a straightforward process, but it's one that can greatly enhance your productivity if used consistently. Remember, keeping your digital workspace organized leads to better time management and reduces the likelihood of overlooking important tasks or ideas. To recap, by going to Google Keep, accessing the menu via the 3 dots, and choosing Delete Checked Items, you can easily improve the clarity and efficiency of your note-keeping. With a clean list in front of you, you can focus on the tasks that matter most. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your note-taking experience on Google Keep. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.